Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title of this video, I'm taking you through a weekend with me in New York City. Today's vlog is going to be a bit different. Today is actually Sunday, so I'm starting this video off with my Sunday weekend and then ending it with my Saturday weekend, if that makes any sense. So the end of this video will basically be my Saturday. Beginning of this video will be my Sunday. I have a lot of fun things planned. I'm gonna go to Dumbo, journal, probably go to a park as well. Either go to a park and journal or go to Dumbo and journal. I might grab some pho later on. I've been craving this pho from this place called Cycllo. It's my favorite pho ever and I always order it. Before I lived in Greenpoint, and Greenpoint is right next to Queens, so I always order it, especially after work. But I've never been in person, so today we might go in person. Either that or I might get sushi. Just made it off the subway. I am a 6-minute walk away. It was not too bad, honestly. The train was not that long. I love taking the train in New York. Like, it's the quickest thing ever. I'd rather take a train than Uber unless my feet hurt, unless I'm trying to go home and eat some food. But other than that, I love the train down. At this place, I typically get chicken pho, and with the chicken pho, they use vegetable broth, which I love because beef broth can be like it could just be too much for me, and it's like the beef in it is too fatty. I just prefer vegetable broth or chicken broth instead. So yeah, I wonder why they don't have chicken broth though. Made it to the restaurant Cycllo. I decided to sit outside. Hopefully I won't regret this because I am eating pho, which is very hot. But here is the menu. I haven't looked at it yet. Well, obviously I know what I'm getting, so. But let me just double check to make sure that I really know what I'm getting. I think I know what I want so far. Oh, I get the chicken pho. But do you have the one with vegetable broth?
We can do it with vegetable broth.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, sure.
Perfect. Okay, you guys, the pho has arrived. Here's the pho. I forgot to tell them no onions, so I'm gonna take the onions out. Oh my gosh, these flies are attacking me. It tastes a lot better in person, and I feel like they put more stuff in here. This is just what a girl needed on a hot summer day. Some basil in here. This is so good. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot. I totally forgot pho has noodles in it. I think you're supposed to grab the pho and twist it, right? Am I doing this right? Don't care, I gave up. Look at these big chunks of chicken. If I'm being realistic, I would legit move to Queens just for this pho. How much I ate. I can't do no more. I'm literally sweating. I can't take it. Why is my watch on backwards? I don't know. But yeah, I am pretty much finished eating. I might eat the rest of this for dinner. Honestly, I'm full, so this just might be it for today. I feel like I had a good run. I got some peaches from Whole Foods, so I might just have that for dinner. But you know me, I changed my mind, and this was 10 out of 10 bomb. Made it off the train. I'm on East Broadway, walking over to Pier 35. I should be there in like 5 minutes. Lord, please let there be seats. Please let there be seats. Please let there be seats. I'm gonna journal for a bit, listen to my worship music because I didn't go to church today. And fortunately, I can watch church online and praise the Lord wherever I want to. So we're gonna turn on my favorite music which is worship music, of course, and just take everything in, take the city in, and just be grateful for literally life and living and being able to live in a city like New York City. So yeah, I'm gonna journal. I brought my cute journal that I got from Egypt. Let me show you. And I also brought my AirPod Maxes because these things, these bad boys cancel everything out. You can't hear a single peep, which I love. So okay, you guys, I'm all ready to head out. I am headed to a Dossier event. I actually got invited yesterday, and this is my first brand event, so I'm super excited. And I text my friend, I'm like, you're coming with me, so we're gonna head there. I might grab me a smoothie after or something to snack on. It is currently 1:34, so it should take me 30 minutes to get there, so I'll get there around 2. The event ends at 4. Later on tonight, I'm thinking of going out to this bar called the King Cole Bar. It's in the St. Regis Hotel, and I love that bar so much. They have the best nuts ever, and I'm actually obsessed. I've been there twice this week, and I might go again. And I feel like they're looking at me like, oh my gosh, she's back again. Yes, I am back. Just literally for the beetroot chips and the cashews. It's something about it. Like, I don't even drink. That's the thing, and I'm paying $15 for orange juice, but I don't mind it because I'm like, the $15 is worth the nuts and the beetroot chips. Girl math. Let's see where the day takes us in New York City. Okay, you guys, I just got off the train. I am walking over. I'm like a 3-minute walk away. Oh my gosh, copyright. Nope, Michael Jackson. I'm almost at the event. It literally is right in front of me. It's at the Moxie Hotel. Let me fix my screen. There it is right there. I'm excited. I'm super excited to see what they have. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm glad I wore this because it kind of matches.
It matches with the flowers.
Yeah.
With so much cheese.
Okay guys, we left and we're headed into this Japanese market to get some food. I am starving and I could use some sushi. The prices are not bad. $13.99. Cooked salmon. Ooh. I'm gonna get one of these. This sounds delicious right now. What is that?
Lychee? Do you know lychee is a fruit?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Is it a tea?
Yeah,
oh, it's just
like
juice.
Well, juice, yeah.
Thank you. I'm excited to try this. Oh my gosh. I didn't do it right, but
This is a better spot to take you.
it's okay. Like, I feel like I'm just eating rice. Guys, I made it to Whole Foods. My latest fixation has been nuts. So I'm thinking I might give me some nuts for, okay, why am I acting wild? I might give me some nuts for tonight. Let's see. Ooh, cherries. I don't want to get too many cherries because I'm literally going to Chicago tomorrow. So I'm going to get only a little bit. Made it back home from Whole Foods. I am so excited. Love Island is on. It is 9 o'clock, so I'm about to whip this up. Hopefully this episode is good. His last episode pissed me off, I'm not gonna lie. But what I got was, I got shrimp. I got me this like root vegetable hash brown. I love these, and it's very like low calories, like 60 calories per serving, and it's 4 servings in it. Kava hummus, don't need to even explain, this stuff is really good. And then I got me some peaches, and yeah, I feel like this is good to last me today, tomorrow. I don't know what time I'm leaving to Chicago tomorrow, or if I'm leaving to Chicago tomorrow, but yeah. While my food is cooking, let me do a little haul of the things that I got today from the Dossier event. So number 1, I'm really excited about this. I think this is perfume. It is, look at this. What is this? Blue Breeze. I wonder what this is a dupe of. Let me smell it. It's very clean, kind of manly. This is, it's like very fresh, but I would give this to a friend, a male friend. The undertones are fresh, but it has this wood scent that I'm not really digging, if I'm being honest. So I will give that as a gift to somebody. Next up, we have this Dossier sweatshirt, super cool. I probably wear this like as PJs or comfy, or if I go somewhere and travel, wearing a swimsuit, getting cold, throw this over. This is cute. What is this? Oh, this is a ring light that they gave. I am obsessed with this. Just clip it on your phone, and what do you do? Okay, you plug it in, and you, unless it, let me see. Oh, you don't need to plug it in. Okay, cute. So I have me a little light. Let me see if I can change the settings. Hey, I can. Okay, cute. Got me a fun light. I'm definitely gonna be using that. Cotton candy. This I took, which I was like, I don't know if you're supposed to take, but I'm gonna take it. Let's see. It's a set of cards. Ooh, I love a fresh set of cards that brands have. I have one from J. Crew when I worked there. Let me grab it. I love the pattern. It's so cool. Last thing I got was this to stick on the back of my phone, which I'm very excited for because I've been wanting this so bad. I bought one from Amazon, but it was absolutely trash and it sucked. And this one seems to be perfect, so I'm gonna definitely use this. I need to buy a new phone case though to attach to, because my phone case that I have currently is, let's just say not in good spirits. So I need a new phone case because that one is not lasting another season. Yeah, that's all that I got today from the event. Super fun, super cool. And I love that they got all these gifts because they're all necessities, like something that influencers or content creators need. Food is ready. Oh, ignore that. Here's the shrimp. It's just plain, literally plain shrimp. And then I have my hash browns, and I also made this, like I told you guys, the hummus sauce. I just put hummus and barbecue sauce. This is the end of the video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Have a matcha. So many flies. Ah, let me check on my food. Well, I did not. But I'm full. I'm done. It'll be my Sunday, and then this video will be on